pasa hoy no está en Correa.
Motoka de one open no white for Waiting do we sweet salon for well now we are. I say salon man and man answer me. Waiting do we sweet salon for well now we are. Waiting do we sweet salon for well. Waiting do we sweet salon for well.
As some of the most.
SLBC is the national broadcaster and award winner for a reason. We produce only the best.
At SLBC, our programs are dedicated to addressing, informing, and understanding the most burning political, economical, and social issues.
Our guests are selected from some of the most credible institutions nationwide with knowledge and issues and subjects that matter.
Our hosts are some of the most celebrated seasoned journalists with years of professional dedication to service.
We remain the most trusted platform in Sierra Leone, so rest assured.
It's your voice and my voice.
And now,
right, the plane don't kind of tarmac now the international airport now as we can conclude saying that it don't arrive.
yeah, you don't arrive in Sierra Leone, exactly. So
viewers are continuing, listeners in our radio land and are continuing. The international airport, we're going to live cover the state visit of the Congolese, the Burkina Faso, the Gabonese Republic.
exactly. So far.
The flight so far the na Yasowe for Kangi for Camp welcome. And now the flights they come. If I don't do in U-turn, now it is for Camp Usai for Kante the guard of honor as the military personnel the ground now and the all
at the Peter International Airport, Usai Salon they work at explore tourism, agriculture, and inside the community of foreign affairs cooperation.
cauliflower.
Well, that's not the flight we don't land at the tarmac at Freetown. It's port, like alone. Don't accidents. We flights they come closer down. The Gabonese will come down. He will be received by the Vice President of Salon, Dr. Mohamed Julde Jallo. Well, family where they listen to the flight of the President of Gabon, where don't land in a salon, where the President of Gabon, when a Brice, Oligue, Nguema, the kind of salon for can on a walking visit, na salon for can explore some other aspects of the country. This is very important. We as a country as to create a platform for salon for being known worldwide. That's at the flight of the Gabonese president. We don't land at the Freetown International Airport. As the Gabonese president, they come and they work. They borders tourism, and they also try and communicate with the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation for peace. The good planning with Salon first time. president they waka go before for go receive the Gabonese president we don't can a salon for come on a really working visit to Sierra Leone. Well, the president, the vice president waka go before now for go receive the Gabonese president in a salon. As we see the delegation from the Gabonese Republic. We come alongside the president. We come on a working visit to Sierra Leone today. So from at any time from now, we see the president of Gabon as they see from the inside from the camera. We see now get the officials them where they can down the plane.
Vice President Sierra Leone can receive him and at 2 flights in Camp Esther and one at the delegation and other one inside the president today and now the vice president forward will receive him. He go now come for the welcome now as the president making you the winner.
The Republic of Salon, then I did the more.
At the entrance of the flight, welcome the president of Gabon. Live broadcast to meet you Gabon Broadcasting Corporation right from the Freetown International Airport with a live coverage the radio and television as today the Gabonese Republic President campaign are working visit to Sierra Leone. This is the first time where it come to Salon and it can explore the diplomatic ties between the two countries and family to remember say the two countries they get some commonalities may come to looking at the two countries and you know and history don't tell we say you know for their country when they call Freetown when they sit in Freetown is now who say slaves them you know maybe they country with them now they make their way out the president is making way out they make their way out now they make their way out now they camp president they come now
and from that's now the Gabonese Republic President will come on a 3-day working visit. Well, it will be received by the Vice President of Sierra Leone, when Dr. Mohamed Julia Jallo, and also the Minister of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation. Well, now we get, as a country, we get a young lady we come, we go by the name of Arabia Barry, we go present a flower to the Gabonese president on a walking visit alone today. This is important for the country as a whole, as the Gabonese president are there for explore a lot of things in our country. well, we get for around tourism and other thing them. Well, the Gabonese president, the waka come before now, outside the ban, the card of honor. Well, that's the military band with the guard of honor to the Gabonese Republic President with a salon on a 3-day working visit, and they come along with the high-powered delegation, we include in wife, where they come on this visit so for explore things around tourism and other corporation business in a salon. Well, we president, we vice president, we are Dr. Mohamed Jules Jallo, and we Minister of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation, and then come for can receive the Gabonese Republic President with on Kana Salon. Now,
I think this time now of after the guard of honor, now they can inspect the military parade, and these are all parts of protocols, you know, for this way as they receive, you know, presidents and other dignitaries, the way they come salon, and these are very important message for salon.
SLBC is the national broadcaster and award winner for a reason. We produce only the best.
At SLBC, our programs are dedicated to addressing, informing, and understanding the most burning political, economical, and social issues.
Our guests are selected from some of the most credible institutions nationwide with knowledge and issues and subjects that matter.
President of Sierra Leone and his brother and visiting head of state, His Excellency Brice, Oligue, Nguema. They will start with official photos. Thank you very much. Please be seated. For this short ceremony, Your Excellencies, we invite remarks from the Excellencies, starting with the host, the President of the Republic of Sierra Leone, and it will be followed by his brother and the visiting head of state, the President of the Gabonese Republic. After their remarks, the President of Sierra Leone graciously presents a gift symbolizing the friendship and commemorating the official visit. And I invite His Excellency also.
Your Excellency, my dear brother, I'm delighted to welcome you and your distinguished delegation to Sierra Leone. Freetown and Libreville, as you know, share a unique historic connection. Both cities were founded as symbols of freedom and hope, reflecting our common values of liberty, dignity, and African resilience. Therefore, your visit provides an important opportunity to open a more ambitious chapter in our relations between our two countries. But first, let me congratulate you on your election as president and commend Gabon's peaceful return to constitutional governance. Your leadership in maintaining stability and peace, advancing institutional renewal during a significant national transition deserves recognition, and I commend you. Sierra Leone stands ready to exchange experiences with Gabon in democratic governance, decentralization, anti-corruption, public sector reform, and institutional accountability. My dear brother, our long-standing friendship should now be developed into a more structured and result-oriented strategic partnership. We should strengthen the diplomatic mechanisms that sustain our relationship and also ensure more consistent engagement between our governments, diplomatic services, and institutions. I believe that this framework should focus on cooperation for a limited number of priorities that are capable of producing measurable benefits for our two peoples. Your Excellency, there is considerable scope to expand trade and investment through close engagement among our investment agencies, chambers of commerce, and private sector. Sierra Leone welcomes Gabonese investment in agriculture, mining, fisheries, energy, infrastructure, tourism, and logistics. We should equally encourage Sierra Leonean businesses to explore opportunities in Gabon. We should undertake reciprocal trade and investment missions and promote commercially viable partnerships between our private sector operators. We should also explore practical measures to improve air connectivity, as we have been discussing already, facilitate travel, and reduce the barriers affecting trade, tourism, and people-to-people exchanges between our two countries. Our cooperation should contribute to greater intra-African trade under the African Continental Free Trade Area. Your Excellency, as a resource-rich African nations, we have a shared responsibility to ensure that our natural wealth generates jobs, public revenue, industrial development, and improve living standards. We should strengthen technical cooperation in mining governance, petroleum regulation, local content, resource transparency, and responsible environmental management. There are also opportunities to exchange expertise in timber processing, which you are doing very well, mineral beneficiation, and other forms of domestic value addition. For agriculture, fisheries, and blue economy, Your Excellency, food security is a central priority of my government and the purpose of our flagship Feed Salon initiative. We welcome cooperation with Gabon in rice production, agricultural mechanization, irrigation, research, and agro-processing and fisheries. As Atlantic nations, we should strengthen sustainable fisheries, expand aquaculture and fishing processing, and work together to protect our marine resources. Our relevant institutions should also cooperate against illegal fishing and the degradation of our coastal and marine ecosystems. Your Excellency, at this juncture, I want to recognize Gabon's leadership in forest conservation, biodiversity protection, and climate action, as it is recognized internationally also. Sierra Leone, we welcome closer collaboration on climate finance, carbon markets, forest conservation, marine protection, and coastal resilience. Together, we can advocate for an African position that properly values the continent's forest, biodiversity, and wider environmental contribution. Africa should receive fair and predictable support for protecting the environmental assets that benefit the entire world. Your Excellency, Africa's future will be shaped not only by resources beneath our soil, but also by investment we make in our people. We should deepen cooperation in education, technical and vocational training, healthcare, digital transformation, and artificial intelligence. Cultural, youth, sporting, and professional exchanges will further strengthen relations between our two peoples. Your Excellency, Sierra Leone and Gabon share an interest in maintaining peace and security across the Gulf of Guinea and the wider Atlantic region. We should strengthen our maritime surveillance, intelligence sharing, and cooperation against trafficking, organized crime, cyber threats, and illegal fishing. Closer engagements between our security institutions will contribute to regional stability and help to protect the economic interest of both countries. Sierra Leone and Gabon should coordinate more closely within the African Union, the United Nations, and other multilateral institutions. We remain committed to Agenda 2063, the African Continental Free Trade Area, and deeper continental integration. Our partnership can help build stronger connections between West Africa and Central Africa, and between the English and French-speaking communities of our continent. We should continue to advocate for stronger African representation in global governance institutions, including the reform of the United Nations Security Council and the international financial architecture. Africa's challenges require stronger African leadership, solidarity, and solutions shaped by the realities of our continent. I believe that our discussions must lead to practical action. So I want to propose the following. I want to ask for the establishment of the Sierra Leone-Gabon Joint Communique for Cooperation. I want us to launch a structured cooperation in natural resources, agriculture, and maritime security. And the third, mandate our foreign ministries to prepare a time-bound implementation roadmap. I want to encourage our ministers and technical officials to finalize the priority agreements, designate focal points, and establish clear responsibilities and timelines. Progress should be assessed through regular ministerial reviews to ensure that agreed commitments are implemented. The success of this partnership must be ultimately measured by tangible improvements in the lives of the people of Sierra Leone and Gabon. As I close, Your Excellency, I hope this visit will open a new chapter in Sierra Leone-Gabon relations, defined by practical cooperation, effective implementation, and shared prosperity. As two Atlantic African nations, we have an opportunity to build a model partnership that is founded on African solidarity, democratic governance, economic transformation, and responsible stewardship of our natural resources. Let me assure you of Sierra Leone's firm commitment to implementing the agreements we reach and translating our friendship into tangible progress for our peoples. With that, Your Excellency and dear brother, I now have the pleasure of inviting you to make your remarks.
Thank you. Excellence Julius Madabio, président de la République de Sierra Leone, président en exercice de la CEDEAO, chers frères, mesdames et messieurs les ministres, mesdames et messieurs, Monsieur le Président, c'est avec un plaisir, un réel plaisir, que j'ai accepté d'effectuer cette visite d'État en réponse à votre aimable invitation. Je voudrais vous exprimer ma sincère gratitude pour l'accueil chaleureux et fraternel dont la délégation qui m'accompagne et moi-même sommes l'objet depuis notre arrivée dans cette belle ville de Freetown. Vous l'avez dit, nos deux capitales ont ceci de particulier. Elles ont le même nom. Freetown en anglais pour la Sierra Leone et Libreville en français pour le Gabon. Ce sont donc deux villes libres de signer leur accord et leur partenariat. Je souhaite également vous remercier très sincèrement pour votre présence à Libreville lors de mon investiture le 3 mai 2025 et lors de l'inauguration du palais de congrès Omar Bongo Ondimba le 3 mai 2026. Témoignage précieux de notre amitié. Mesdames et messieurs, ce jour s'inscrit dans le cadre du renforcement de la coopération entre le Gabon et la Sierra Leone, à laquelle son Excellence, le président Julius Madabio et moi-même souhaitons influencer et insuffler une nouvelle dynamique au regard des opportunités majeures qui s'offrent à nos deux pays. Au cours de cette visite, le président Madabio et moi-même avons eu un entretien en tête-à-tête, au cours duquel nous avons discuté des questions bilatérales, régionales et internationales d'intérêt commun. Sur le plan bilatéral, nous nous sommes réjouis de l'évolution notable de notre coopération ces dernières années, marquée par une intensification des échanges et des contrats de haut niveau entre nos deux pays. Cette rencontre a également été pour nous l'occasion d'identifier de nouveaux axes de coopération, avec un accent particulier sur la coopération économique et commerciale. À cet effet, nous avons recommandé la formalisation de l'accord général de coopération entre la République gabonaise et la République de Sierra Leone, afin de poser
les bases d'un partenariat plus structuré et mieux encadré. Dans cette perspective, nous avons instruit nos gouvernements respectifs de mettre en place les mécanismes d'incitation nécessaires à la consolidation des acquis, tout en les invitant à explorer davantage les secteurs porteurs, notamment les ressources minières, l'agriculture, la pêche, l'éducation et la formation professionnelle. Sur le plan régional, nous sommes revenus sur les conclusions de la dernière conférence des chefs d'État et de gouvernement de l'Union africaine tenue en février 2026 à Addis Abeba, en Éthiopie. En effet, j'ai tenu à exprimer ma gratitude au président Julius Maada Bio pour le soutien de la Sierra Leone à la candidature du Gabon au Conseil de paix et de sécurité de l'Union africaine. En outre, nous avons décidé de poursuivre et d'intensifier nos efforts visant à lutter contre la piraterie maritime, les trafics illicites et toutes les menaces transversales qui pèsent sur la sécurité dans le golfe des Guinée. Nous avons également reconnu la pertinence des enjeux abordés lors de ce sommet, notamment ceux relatifs à la gestion durable de l'eau et à l'assainissement, qui constituent des priorités majeures face aux défis auxquels sont confrontées de nombreuses populations africaines. En ce qui concerne les questions de paix, de sécurité et de gouvernance, nous avons réaffirmé notre ferme attachement au dialogue comme instrument privilégié de règlement de différends, notamment avec les pays de l'Alliance des États du Sahel. Monsieur le Président, en exercice de la CEDEAO, chers frères, il est important pour nous, Africains, de ne pas condamner ces États sous prétexte qu'ils n'ont pas organisé des élections. Alors que sur d'autres cieux, certains États ne l'ont pas fait, mais continuent de bénéficier des largesses de l'Occident. Nous avons en outre appelé à une solution pacifique pour mettre fin à l'instabilité persistante dans l'Est de la République démocratique du Congo. Dès lors, nous réitérons notre soutien à toute initiative visant à renforcer la stabilité et la sécurité dans ces deux régions. Sur le plan international, nous avons exprimé notre préoccupation face à l'escalade des tensions au Moyen-Orient. Nous avons surtout souligné les impacts économiques potentiels de cette crise, en particulier la hausse des prix des produits de base, susceptibles d'affecter les économies africaines et le pouvoir d'achat de nos populations. Mesdames et messieurs, je ne saurais terminer mon propos sans remercier encore une fois de plus le président Julius Maada Bio, président de la Sierra Leone, président en exercice de la CEDEAO, ainsi que tous les autres États membres pour leur soutien constant et multiforme durant notre période de transition. Enfin, j'exprime ma profonde reconnaissance au peuple frère de Sierra Leone pour la légendaire hospitalité. Mon cher frère, je sais compter sur votre soutien à la candidature du Gabon pour l'organisation en juillet 2027 de la 9e réunion de coordination entre la Commission de l'Union africaine et les communautés économiques régionales. Et je vous remercie.
Your Excellency and dear brother, before we conclude, it is a great pleasure on my part to present you with this commemorative bronze cooperation artifact marking your official visit to Sierra Leone. The intertwined hands symbolize the friendship between our nations, the partnership between our governments, and our shared commitment to peace, cooperation, and mutual prosperity. Bronze represents strength, resilience, and permanence. Qualities we hope will define relations between Sierra Leone and Gabon for generations to come. I present this artifact to you and through you to the people of Gabon as an enduring symbol of our shared African heritage and determination to build a stronger future together.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
After the gracious presentation, the Excellencies will now retreat to the office of the host president, and ministers of both countries will proceed for their bilateral meetings. Please take a protocol of that.